Move on over to Marsha's shop here. And we've got Colors of Aloha. And I think it was Marsha earlier. She's having a tough time trying to find shop policies. So, Marsha, were you able to figure out your shop policies? Let's see here. She is still here. Let's check. And let's see if we can figure it out for you here. Shop policies. Oops. And let me see here. Okay, yes, duh, I found it. That's too funny. Glad you were able to find it, Marcia. No worries. Believe me, I've been there plenty of times. I've been doing live workshops, plenty of training workshops. I'm like, here's where you do this, guys. And then I can't even find it. And I'm like, oh gosh, everybody looking at me and I can't find it. I look like a dummy. So let's check it out. We got Colors of Aloha, bringing the colors of Hawaii into your life. I like it. Buyers are raving, multiple 5-star reviews, 100 sales. Perfect, really good. And you've got 60 items here. Let's see what you got here. So we got all sorts of things. I would recommend putting your shop policies together. That will help you out a little bit as well. Putting together a little shop policy. So let's go back up. Let's check out. I always like to look at what's selling. So I like it that you allow me to see it here. So we've got some Japanese inspired design microwave bowl cozies, Japanese design cozies. Interesting. Interesting. I've never heard of this before. So, you know what I think would be a great so I'm assuming you're saying you're going to hold your bowl in this little cozy so it doesn't burn your hand. I think that's what this is. So what I would recommend is if you had a photo of like a bowl in it, like a hot bowl, like what's a hot bowl of oatmeal, right? Microwave cozies. It's a hot pad, yeah. So if that's what this is for, or if these are just for hot pads, I'm not really totally sure. I would like to see some. There are photos of the cozies with the bowl. Okay, I don't see it on this one. Maybe it's on one of your other listing. Back here. Here we go. That one's got a photo of the bowl. Very nice. So this one, you've got a photo. I think that's good. Hawaiian microwave bowl cozy. So I think your keyword here might be too specific because I don't think this niche is going to be so big that you want to get so specific. So Hawaiian microwave bowl cozies has 517 results, but let's just look up microwave bowl cozies. Now you got 10,000 results. 10,000 right there. 10,962. So I think you might want to just go straight and use that Hawaiian keyword as one of your second one. And then let's check this next one here. We got red, blue, floral, microwave cozies. That one's too specific, only 43 results. So you probably just want to go with the keyword floral microwave cozy. Let's put that one there. That one has 664 results. And let's see, let's look up, now let's try the keyword floral hot pad, because that's a popular keyword. So that one has got 2,530. Now, I know yours maybe aren't exactly set up right now. These listings aren't exactly set up right now to fit those keywords, but you could adjust it. You could redo some of your photos. But honestly, I think these actually would work just fine as the keyword hot pad. I don't even think you would really need to adjust it. So my recommendation for you, Marcia, would be to rearrange your keywords a little bit. Now, I understand your product is Hawaiian themed. You've got this beautiful Hawaiian fabric with the flowers. However, those keywords are so much smaller than your first keyword right here, which is microwave bowl cozy. So what I would do is I would structure my keywords like this. I would go microwave bowl cozies. Then on the next one, I probably actually do floral hot pad because that's a great keyword, 2,500 results. I would do floral hot pad. Then I would do Hawaiian microwave bowl cozies. And that one's got 500 results. Then floral microwave cozies. Okay. So if you adjusted it like that, I think you'll get more searches and you can get ranked for those. Now, you might not want to go mess with it on all of your listings because it looks like you got quite a few. But on some of them, you could definitely make those changes. I have 20 reviews for 100 sales. Is that good? Yeah, that's actually pretty good. That's a good review ratio right there. 20 reviews, that's 20%. I think mine is like 15% about. So 20 reviews for 100 sales is great. Now let's check out this one here. So again, Hawaiian Blue Ocean baby diaper covers. So again, this is a really, really long keyword. And I don't think you want to get so specific. I think it would be better for you to go with something a little bit more broad. So you see right here, we got 417 results. But if we went, we've got a baby diaper cover. You know what would probably be good would be this honestly, this looks a lot like one of my products. Let me show you real quick. So one of my most popular products, actually, it is my most popular product of all time. We go wall decal source is my ocean wall decal. So this one right here, under the sea decal. This is my most popular item ever. I've sold this hundreds and hundreds of times, but I've spread it out across a lot of listings. So for this product of yours, I think instead of saying Hawaiian Blue Ocean baby diaper, should try. Let's just first go baby diaper cover. Let's see how big that keyword is. 36,000. Let's do ocean. And we've got 559. Okay. Okay, not huge. Let's do fish. Let's see. Fish baby diaper cover 600. Let's do aquarium. Aquarium's got 477. What else could you do? Sea creature baby diaper cover 477. So hard to find one. Let's try underwater. Under the sea diaper covers 534. So there's a few different keywords you can mix in. None of those have as many searches as I was hoping. They do have a few, but you know, even fish baby diaper covers does have a little bit more than this one at 417. So I just recommend trying out some different keywords. You've got a lot of the same items, and I think some of them are just the keywords are real long. You know, Hawaiian Tapa design baby diaper cover, Hawaiian baby Kiki diaper covers, and they're all really cute keywords. But I think you should try and get something a little bit more generic, and you know, even just using maybe the keyword. You know, baby diaper cover might be fine for you. Baby diaper cover. 36,000 right there. That would be a good keyword for you to go ahead and utilize. But overall, Marcia, I think you've got some cute items. Your photos look really good. And I would just recommend your keywords could probably be improved a little bit, and then renewing your listing. So like this listing hasn't been renewed since October 24th. And it's, you know, ideally you should renew your listings about once a week. So obviously you got 60 items. Renewing your listings, guys, is one of the simplest, easiest, cheapest, most affordable ways to increase your sales. So let's just imagine right now for all 60 items in your shop, if you renewed all of them, it would cost you 20 cents. It costs you 12 bucks. And if you did that 4 times a month, it would cost you 48 bucks. Well, that $48 would probably bring you in, you know, most likely it'd bring you a few sales at least. It could double your sales month over month. It could triple your sales. It can really, and I would say this is for you, especially Marcia, because I think your products are really cute, really nice looking. Your question, are the muted backgrounds okay for the initial photos? Yeah, I think the muted backgrounds, I think your products look good. The backgrounds are nice. The colors are nice. I would recommend tweak the keywords, improve them a little bit, and then go in there and renew those listings. And I think you're going to see a really nice boost in your sales. So I'm going to pop in all these keywords right here for you and go ahead.